Welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove some swelled up batteries that are stuck in a rack mountable UPS. It could apply to regular like floor unit type ones, but this is mostly just for the rack because you can actually tear it apart a little bit easier. I've had these units for a little while and finally got batteries for one of them. I still need to get batteries for the other one, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what you got to do. So let's get started. Okay, so after replacing the batteries, it works. The problem was I didn't set up so that the microphone of the webcam would be picking up my voice. I think my system was muted for some stupid reason. I have no idea why. But that's why I added music to it. But all in all, it worked. Hopefully you saw what I did and might have picked up a few things on it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The tools I bought I was using was from Walmart. It's a pry bar set. I think it was like $15. It's back in their tool department. But it did help. I was able to get underneath them and pop them up and everything. They're double-sided sticky tape, so if you would ever get any units like that, that's what it's you're going to really have to pry on it. Screwdrivers will work, but they're not that good. I would definitely get that set because it gives you a little bit better reach in some ways. But that's it, and as I always like to say, have a good day.